Do you need help starting your online business? Get more results following this strategy. I'm Lundi from Legit Blueprint, and I've been in online business for the past 5 years. So let me help you today. Do you find yourself wondering, how should I start my business? You bought a course, you bought a shiny object, you bought a program, but nothing seemed easy. You don't know where to start, how to start. And if you're looking for results, you need to buy additional products just to make the first one work. If the answer is yes, you're not alone. I've helped many newbies to start their online business. What I've learned as a coach helping newbies, there's a group of people out there. It could be newbies, it could be anybody in any niche. And the who have a problem, no matter which group I'm talking about. But as I'm working on how to make money online, my group is in the niche of how to make money online. So what I've learned from my newbies, keep your mouth shut and listen. They have a pain point, they have a problem, and if you don't listen to what help they need, you will never understand how to help them. So I'm keeping my mouth shut, listening to what you need help with. Then we can talk and plan how I can help you to get your business off the ground. So I think the best way for this, we need to talk. I have to understand, where are you in the process? Did you already start your business? Are you just new, just bought a program, you don't know where to start? Or are you already in the process, but you need to scale your business? Let's do a free 30-minute strategy call, and I can understand what you need help with. I promise my mouth will be shut. I'm listening to you and making sure I understand where your pain points are and how I can support you to start your business and get results. I will answer your questions and we can see, are you a good fit? Am I a good fit? Can I support you? Which I promise I can. Been doing this for quite a few years. So let me show you how I can help you and make sure that you don't go through the pain points and the problems and issues I had to go through before I realized how online business works. Check out the links below the video for more information about starting your online business. Do not miss any forthcoming videos about this topic and about the niche. So like, subscribe and ring the bell. And if you have friends, share the video if they need the same help. See you next time on the other side of the screen.